Captain Haynato, Caleb, nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Jensen, Fitz, Sam.
Hello.
So we're super excited to go on the tour today. We have some questions for you.
Okay.
So Jensen, what question?
How many people are on the crew?
We have 6 on the crew.
How long have you been the captain?
I've been the captain. Well, actually, I was the pilot, and they changed my title to captain. So I'm gonna say a good 25 years.
Where are we going to see?
Okay, on this tour, we actually start here. It's pretty much at the end of the Houston Ship Channel. Ship Channel is 52 miles long. Right up this way is a Buffalo Bayou.
Okay.
Buffalo Bayou goes to downtown, ends up in West Houston. We actually go towards like Galveston, and we're gonna see. We're not gonna go that far, but we go to the Pasadena area, Galena Park, and we're gonna see refineries. We're gonna see ships, tugboats, cranes possibly working. It just depends. It's just different refineries and stuff like that.
How many people can fit on the boat?
We can take up to 100 guests on the boat.
How many are you expecting today?
Well, our reservations always are booked up to 100. I can't guess how many will show.
This is the largest port in the U.S.
What do you make a pirate? A beach?
The email still said Junior.
How's it going?
Hello. Long time no see.
How are you? Very good.
How's it going, guys? Hey, how's it going?
Good morning.
Good morning. How's it going?
Good. Going good. Please watch this.
Restrooms down there.
Let's go. Maybe let's get some. Where should we get? What do you think? We get right here.
So first things first, I just gotta give a quick safety briefing for all of y'all. So first things first, when using these doors, I please ask for you to be extremely careful with these doors. These doors are very heavy and you will be forced to open them. At the same time, to be extremely careful with the 6-inch step up on each of these doors. When going outside, in the very, very front of the ship, you can't quite see it, but there's a green steel pipe sticking out. That is our H bit. In the shape of an H, I please ask you not to sit on it, lean on it, or stand on it, because you might slip and fall. And this is a steel deck both inside and out, so it will hurt.
There we go. So it's Sam, this way.
And recycle. Port Houston recycles and has other environmental initiatives. We have cut our carbon footprint by 55%.
Oh, we're going up.
And these are some steep stairs.
actually just a radar overlay. It's a radar, and it's also GPS. This one is basically the same thing. It's just a different angle. This one, what's cool about this one is that you can see the names of the boats. You click on it, it'll give you his name and information how fast he's going. And it's easy, like when you're trying to call them or for traffic purposes. Like right now, before y'all came up here, he's like, "I'll see you on the one," which is that side. Yeah, he called me. Just let me know where you're. Because I was kind of like way over here. That's what I tell everybody. You look at the flagpole, right? The flagpole's telling you which way the boat's going. So if you feel like the boat is going too much to your right, you want to turn to your left. Like this, okay? So if you feel the boat's going too much this way, that means you got to turn. So, but the flagpole is a good indicator to help you steer. And steering is not like a car. It doesn't react quickly. So you kind of have to go a little at a time. Because if you do too much, you're just going to end up looking like this. You oversteer. But we always tell everybody, like whenever they're going to start to learn to steer, like don't look at this stuff.
Yeah.
It confuses you. So what you want to do is you want to focus out there. And you pretty much just use this. See how the boat's going to the left?
Yeah.
Keep turning it. There's a lot of like wiggle room on that wheel, so as soon as you feel tension, that means you're good. And what you want to do is you wait a little bit for it to react.
Driven a golf cart before, which I mastered already.
This is nothing like a golf cart. It's much slower than a golf cart.
Yes. What?
So-
So it's definitely easier than a golf cart to drive and steer. It's really fun.
But it's pretty much like a.
Bring it home,
You
Sam.
might need to sit on the chair here.
Yeah. Bring it home, buddy. Impressive.
Let me straighten you out, okay? Just hold on.
Don't hit with your feet, bud.
Okay, hold on to it right there. Both hands. There you go. Okay. And keep your eye on the road now. Just hold on. Just hold on to it. Don't turn it, okay?
Just straight. Hold it straight.
Just
Yeah, just hold on to it. Just hold on. It's a little hard for you.
Good job. Good job. Good job.
Sitting.
He's so.
What do you think, Sam? You like driving? No? You do for a little longer.
My dad would always take us through there, roll down the windows and just holler, trying to get echo.
Just go ahead and go down.
Okay. Y'all enjoy this Saturday. It's a beautiful day.
It is
Thank
beautiful.
you.
Thank
Have you a thumbs up down there, guys?
Daddy, I'll hold me.
Dad's gonna help you, yeah.
Ooh, careful.
We just got off the boat. We each got to drive the boat. We each got free drinks, coffee, and the boat tour is absolutely free. Go online and check it out. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Peace.